Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the sheet and making a safe copy. This avoids accidental loss. Next, select the column that might contain duplicate entries. Once selected, apply a quick conditional formatting rule. Home conditional formatting highlights cells rules duplicate values so you can visually spot repeats. Alternatively, use data remove duplicates for a fast removal trial. Make sure to work on the copy so you can review results and understand which fields are affected. Once you've visually identified candidates, create a helper column and enter a COUNTIF formula to label duplicates. For example, equals COUNTIF, $A21. This shows why rows repeat and lets you filter them quickly. Also normalize data first. Use trim to remove extra spaces and lower to standardize case, because formatting differences mask duplicates. If you're on Excel 365, apply unique or filter functions to generate a live list of unique versus repeated values, which saves manual reconciliation. You finish by choosing how to handle the duplicates. Delete exact repeats, consolidate records by aggregating values, or mark them for manual review. For multi-column duplicates, use Power Query or create a concatenated key with concat to compare rows reliably. Once done, double-check results with a final COUNTIF or unique comparison to confirm no unintended removals. If something looks off, inspect LEN and clean on suspect cells for hidden characters. Make sure to revert to your backup if you need to recover original data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.